Hold his hand. See if he'll hold your hand.
He will. If they have a big dog, stick your hands in there.
That's what you look like when you were born.
He won't let go.
How cute.
Mom, monkey.
Mom, stand right here.